Hello friends, I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the RC show. Today we are going to learn about an amazing mathematical trick that will enable you to calculate the square root of any 4-digit number just within few seconds. Click on the subscribe button below to get all the latest videos on cool fun facts, latest tricks and amazing vocabulary on this channel. If you are loving my videos, click the like button below and share it with your friends. So let's start. Calculating the square root of 4-digit numbers has always been a difficult task for most of us, isn't it? For me, it has always been. But until I learned these two tricks. After I found these tricks, calculating the square root of 4-digit numbers has become a cakewalk for me. I'm sharing the same knowledge about these two tricks with you that you can learn, practice and start calculating the square root of number just within seconds. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you want to calculate the square root of the number 7569. Before going ahead, one small requirement of this trick is that you memorize the square of the numbers from 1 to 10 and write them down on a sheet of paper that you get before your exams begin. These are very easy squares to remember. You can see them on the screens. Please memorize these. One bonus tip for you. The square root of any 4-digit number will always be a 2-digit number. Always remember this. So you will never get a wrong answer. Okay, let's get back to our question. Calculate the square root of the number 7569. Trick 1. Step 1. Let's find out the unit digit of our answer. We can see 9 is the last digit of our number. So from this table we can clearly see that the square of the numbers with unit digit as 3 or 7 will end with 9, right? That means the unit digit of our answer will be either 3 or 7. So we will write it down, 3 or 7. If there is any confusion, feel free to ask us in the comment section below. Now step 2. Let's find out the first digit of our answer. Now focus on only the first 2 digits of your number, that is 75. So now we will check from this table 75 falls between which two numbers, that is 64 and 81, and we will choose the smaller number among these two, that is 64. And now 64 is the square of 8. So we will write 8 in the first digit of our answer. Easy, right? Now only thing remaining is to find out the unit digit of our answer, that is either 3 or 7. Now step 3. Add 1 to the first digit of your answer, that is 8 plus 1, that gives us 9, and multiply it with the first digit of the answer again, that is 8 multiplied by 9, that gives us 72. Now pay attention here. Let's call this number as A and this number as B. Now if A is less than B, we will select the smaller of the two numbers, that is 3. And if A is greater than B, we will select the greater number among these two options we have, that is 7. And now in our case, A is greater than B, that is 75 is greater than 72. So we will select 7 and we got our answer. The square root of 7569 is 87. Confused? I know it's a bit difficult to understand this trick at the first go. Don't worry, you will surely understand it. Just the hidden secret is practice. Once you practice this trick with 11 different numbers, this trick will always stick in your mind forever, and you will be able to calculate the square root of 4-digit numbers just within seconds. Okay, let's try this out with one more example. Suppose you want to calculate the square root of the number 4096. Step 1. We can see the unit digit of the number is 6. That means from the table we get that the unit digit of our answer will either be 4 or either be 6. So we'll write it down, 4 or 6. Now step 2. The first two digit of our number is 40. So we will find from the table between which two numbers 40 falls. So we get it's between 36 and 49. So we choose the smaller among the two, that is 36. And 36 is the square of 6. So that means 6 is the first digit of our answer. Now step 3. Add 1 to 6. That gives us 7. And multiply it with 6 again. That gives us 42. Now we can see that A is less than B. That is 40 is less than 42. So what will we choose among our two options? The smaller of the options, that is 4. And bingo! That's our answer, friends. The square root of the number 4096 is 64. Isn't this trick really super fast and amazing, right? Okay, let's calculate the square root of the numbers on this screen using this trick, and let us know your answer in the comment section below. Remember friends, practice is the key. The more you practice, the easier it gets. The second trick to calculate the square root of any 4-digit number in less than 4 seconds, we will learn in the next video tomorrow. If you loved this video, please click the like button below. Your appreciation really encourages me to keep bringing helpful videos for you. If you want me to create video on any topic, do let me know in the comment section below. And that's it from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to this channel to learn more tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay positive.